Today I just want to do a quick unboxing of this little tiny Craftsman. It's their cordless series of their 20 volt, and this is the really small one. It's about $100 almost everywhere. Lowe's, Menards, pretty much online is $100. Sometimes it's on sale, but I thought I'd buy this to use this when I'm doing just quick cleanup around the shop, on the countertops here. And then also when I'm washing my truck when I'm done, to actually blow like all the cracks and stuff out so water doesn't go running down. So I'll do is start doing an unboxing here, show you what's inside it. Alright, we got some of the extension pieces. I really like this one. This is because this is a soft rubberish material, and if I just put this one on, and I don't have to worry about if I bump up against the truck, because sometimes I use my actual leaf blower to try to blow out all the water around the cracks of the mirrors and stuff. These are a bunch of attachments for doing inflatables, like you can put it on those air mattresses or your beach inflatables for your water toys and stuff like that. Also, these can be used for deflating, and I'll show you how that's done. So here's the unit itself. It's pretty small, as you can see. It's in my hand. It's very light. These don't come with batteries. You already have to own the Craftsman tools that came with the batteries and like the recharger packs. Now today I also picked up the large double max, or like 3 times power batteries. I haven't charged these yet. These are fresh out of the package. But I wanted to buy these. They last longer, especially if you're going to be using like a light or a fan or something. Than the half the normal size. So everybody knows how these just snap on and lock. Now, like I was saying, what's really cool about this is you can just twist. They have like little, you can just twist these on, and then this gives you a real short close-up of getting close to what you're going to be working on. 1, 2. Now that's quite a powerful blower for especially in a small compact size like this. But what I was really hoping to use it for is when I'm like doing some detailing and stuff, I can get down there around the cracks and stuff of the car, And with this being a rubber end, I don't have to worry so much about the scratching the vehicle up. Now this battery is, like I said, fresh out of the package and not charged, so it's probably pretty low. I just heard the go up and down. Now, something that's also really neat about this, if you've ever uninflated like an air mattress bed, the actual side here that sucks the air in to go out, well, you can actually take this, if you want, and put this tool on the side right here. And this will actually deflate anything, like if you have an inflatable kayak or something. Just think about, unpacking a kayak out of the bed of your truck or something and blow it up with this, and then also suck all the air out of it so it's nice and small again. So that's my quick review of this Craftsman. And I know they come in a bunch of different sizes, but here's the model number if you really want to know. Just adding it to the Craftsman cordless tool selection I have. And then today I also picked up a really big multi-angle, multi-function LED light. It has a couple different brightnesses. You can take your hook on the top and turn it, but that wasn't a review for this thing. It's just a light. Well, thanks for watching this quick unboxing and how I use this little blower. Have a good day, and hit that subscribe button. Add some comments in. I'm always watching since I don't have too much going on in the chat there, and maybe I can answer some questions for you. See ya.